Hey everybody, it's Brett from Crow Hollow Woodworks. Today we're going to be making an axe block.
Begin by selecting a good sized chunk of log, roughly 14 to 18 inches in diameter and anywhere from 6 to 12 inches tall.
For the legs of the axe block, you've got several different options you can go with. You could rip them out of a thick board such as this 2x yellow, southern yellow pine, this 2x poplar, or you can actually use a log or a sapling, which is what I'm going to go with, is a sapling that I've recently cut out of the woods.
Use a compass or a right-sized round object to lay out a circle on the bottom side of the block. This is where you will drill the holes for your leg supports. Here I used a compass to lay out 3 holes equidistant from each other on the circle. I used a brace and bit to establish guide holes at the correct angle, which is about 22 degrees. I used the bevel gauge to help me stay at the correct angle while I was drilling. The 22-degree leg angle was based off of the angle that my tripod legs come out the bottom of my camera tripod. Seemed to work out pretty good. Unfortunately, I didn't have an auger bit big enough for the size tenon I wanted to use, so I had to use a 1-inch wood boring bit and a power drill to get the right size. Now that the holes are drilled, you can go ahead and get your legs cut to length. For my height, I wanted the top of the axe block to come about 30 inches off the ground. The height of the axe block itself is about 15 inches, so I went ahead and cut each leg about 28 inches long to account for the angle and to give me plenty enough room to make sure that I get the correct height.
You've got some options when it comes to making round tenons. You can use a simple carving axe to get your tenon cut down here at the bottom. Just work that down until you get to the right size diameter. You can use a draw knife to set your tenon diameter, or a fancier option is to use a spoke pointer and a hollow auger within your brace and bit to set your round tenon, which is the method that I'm going to show you.
Depending on the diameter of the leg, you may have to use an axe or a draw knife or something to shave it down so that it will be able to fit inside the spoke pointer. Spoke pointers and hollow augers have lots of little adjustments and little blades that need to be sharpened, so be sure that you play with them for a little bit and scrap these or something before you start on your actual blades, if you choose to go that route. Once the tenon is cut, use a draw knife or an axe to trim up the edges and kind of take the shoulder down just to give it a little more strength when you insert it into the actual axe block. A little anchor seal on the end grain can help keep the tenons from splitting. Once the anchor seal is dried, the legs are ready to be inserted into the bottom of the axe block. Once everything's together, check your height to see how far off you are from your final height. Also, you'll need to check to see how level the top is, and start there first to get the top back in level. Once the top is back in level, you can go ahead and make your final cuts to bring everything to the correct height. To get the feet to sit flush on the floor, use the old pencil clamp to a block technique to establish the floor angle and cut it to the right angle. And there you have it, one completed axe block. The axe block should be level, stable, and heavy duty enough to be able to withstand many axe blows. I'm primarily going to use this axe block to rough out spoon carving blanks, but you could use it for any time you needed to use an axe at a comfortable height. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions about how I built this axe block, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram.